How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video we're looking at NIO yet again, because today it hit a high of $45.29. We'll go ahead and make that yet again a brand new high, so a yellow dotted line. That's what my charts represent. It came down pre-market. Was not expecting that much. High of it was 43, usual price right now, and then low of 39.50. I thought it was going to tank. Or not tank, but fall down, pull back a little bit. But we got a nice reversal, great pickup right at the opening at 40.36, and really once it broke above VWAP, it really never, it just bounced right off of. And we did have this little channel. It was trading in a bull flag. Some people may call it a 44.94. That was the high. It tapped it or tried to tap it 2 times, and we finally broke out of it. Right now, it's at $44.70. But we're still above VWAP, almost a dollar, almost exactly a dollar. And today's volume was 202 million shares. That is unheard of, at least for me, a $45 company. Let's do some quick math right now. 45 times 200 million. That is $9 billion traded today. That is buy and sell. That is so much so much investors wanting to get into the electric vehicle aspect of it. You guys know NIO, obviously, SOLO, and what's the XPEV, and so many other, Tesla, obviously. So many other companies right now are trying to weasel their way into the electric vehicle sector, Nikola as well. And with Joe Biden, here's the thing, it's really, it's not, Joe Biden didn't win right now because Electoral College didn't vote yet. And neither did Trump. It's just on speculation right now. So until they announce who really won, I feel like the markets are going to be. Obviously, you guys heard the news right now that a vaccine has 90% win rate. I don't know what you call it, but 90% cure rate, I guess. And that is really good. The market is hit all-time high pre-market today. So I think the markets really love that. And obviously, electric vehicles are mostly for Joe Biden with the Green New Deal he proposes, and obviously, like, the oil helps Trump and whatnot. So I really feel like everything's going to be on edge until we get a clear decision, and then the markets are going to react however they are going to react. I think that if Trump wins, it would continue to be high. If Joe Biden wins, I feel like it's going to dip down a little bit. And NIO could be, electric vehicles could be the outlier of it and shoot up if Biden, secures it and electoral colleges vote on him. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the news now. It was featured in a couple articles. Okay, JP Morgan raised to $46 from $40. You guys know JP Morgan was, I think, one of the first companies to announce the $40 price target. So that is obviously really big news, and now they just did a couple months ago, and now they see that this company could be worth $46. I feel like pretty soon they're going to have to raise it yet again to maybe $50. That is my PT, honestly. It could be at the end of the year, January 21st, when the president gets inaugurated. I think it's the 21st. Right here, guys, exactly what I was saying. NIO shares are trading higher. Strength appears driven by Biden presidential victory, which has been positive catalyst for electric vehicles names. And the stock also may be reacting for COVID-19. PFE, that's the ticker symbol if you guys want to check that out. And boosted the economy. So I think it is a little bit of both, but mostly because, you guys, I'll take you out to the 1-year chart. Even when, coronavirus hit, the U.S. really economy was right here, end of February, beginning of March. That's when everybody started to tank. But electric vehicles, especially NIO here, really wasn't affected by COVID at all. It is a China company, obviously. Their earnings continue to be bad, but this quarter, the last quarter, was positive 15 cents, the highest it's ever been since the very first quarter. And so I really don't think that the movement today was completely based on the announcement of the vaccine. I feel like it is on the Joe Biden could become the president. But for the future, guys, like I said, I do see this at $50 company. This is really bullish. It reminds me of Tesla when Tesla was going from $300 all the way to $2,000, and then it had the reverse split, obviously. Yeah, well, they said 200 million shares. That's not even the highest. The highest was 570 million, and then it's really averages 100 million a day, and that is really unheard of, especially to my trading. $4.5 billion a day traded. Like I said, so much eyes on it. We could have resistance really at every level: 15, 20, 26, 29, 35, 40, and now 45. Well, support and resistance. But you guys are looking at the chart right now. The gold lines represent the high of the days. Each candle right here represents 1 day. So I really feel confident about this one. Remember, guys, don't trade. I mean, don't chase. Trade your own plan and plan your own trade. I'll bring you back into the 1-day chart now. There's all-time highs, obviously. So I'll actually bring it to the 10-day. It's a load. So good support at any of the gold lines: 39, 34, 20, 27. Now, like I said in one of my videos, I was predicting a little push back, just because the overall market and also the overall fact that this company was completely skyrocketing from $25 to now $45, almost double in just 10 days. So, like I said, I was expecting a little pullback, but I don't think we'll get it. We just hit a new high. We could see a pullback to 40, which is reasonably okay. And then once we ride out for maybe like a week, at 40, we see a push up to 50. We just need more catalysts, saying that people are putting in their pre-orders. People are wanting it now. Like I said, they just sold 5,500 vehicles, if I'm not mistaken. That was an article. If we can find it here, I'll pull it up. You guys can pause the video and read any of these. But the company is very bullish. Also, TD Ameritrade was down today, so that was really bad on TD's trade. But hey, look at this, 11-4. That was a couple days ago. They raised it to 46 as well, from $33. So I was actually not aware of that. So that's also another company that was put in it to the $30 price range, completely broke out of it. I feel like they're gonna have to raise it up again. If you guys don't know that, another one, they beat GM in the market cap. This company is headed into a lot of positive things. They have so many articles about them every day. It's featured on Fox Business and the other channel. Forgetting that one. So look at all the volume come in. All right, guys, I'm just rambling on here, but remember, guys, to like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Go over recap here. Good resistance at 45. VWAP is a great support, as well as 39.93, 34, and 37. Let me guys know what your average is about NIO here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like I said, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.